In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian police in its ongoing crackdown against the freedom-loving Kashmiri people arrested senior Hurriyat leader and noted religious preacher Maulana Sarjan Barkati in Shopian district today. Maulana Sarjan Barkati's arrest comes 2 days after 3 noted religious leaders Maulana Abdul Rashid Daudi, Mushtaq Ahmad Viri and Abdul Majid Al-Madni were arrested and booked under Black Law Public Safety Act by the occupation authorities. Maulana Sarjan Barkati shot to prominence during the 2016 mass uprising triggered by the extrajudicial killing of popular youth leader Burhan Wani for his distinct style of sloganeering. He was arrested in October that year and subsequently booked under Draconian Law Public Safety Act. A cleric and charismatic crowd puller, Maulana Barkati was released in 2020 after being kept in illegal detention by the occupation authorities for 4 years. All parties Hurriyat Conference leader Syed Bashir Andrabi, in a statement issued in Srinagar, expressed serious concern over the illegal arrest of Maulana Barkati and other religious leaders. He maintained that such brutal tactics cannot subdue the Kashmiris' resolve for securing freedom from Indian illegal occupation, and they will continue their struggle till complete success. Muttahida Majlis-e-Ulama, the representative amalgam of religious, social and educational organizations headed by Mirwais Umar Farooq, in a statement strongly condemned the arrest of religious scholars. The High Court Bar Association of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, in a statement in Srinagar, demanded immediate release of the arrested religious leaders. In Geneva, speakers at an event held on the sidelines of the ongoing 51st session of the United Nations Human Rights Council strongly denounced the ruthless suppressing of dissent in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir by Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government. They said that since 5th August 2019, crackdown scores of journalists and human rights defenders who have played an important role in documenting human rights abuse committed by Indian troops in the occupied territory have been arrested and booked under black laws.